Hi students, welcome back to my channel once again. I hope you have seen the video revision volume 1. In that we have discussed history chapter 1. In this video revision volume 2, I am going to discuss the questions and answers from history chapter 2. That is the extension of British rule. Please watch the video till the end and try to make use of the content given. The extension of the British rule. Shall begin with 1 mark questions. Who introduced subsidiary alliance and when? Lord Wellesley in 1798. What is subsidiary alliance? A military protection agreement between the East India Company and the Indian states. What was the main reason for Second Anglo-Maratha War? The differences among the Maratha chieftains. Who accepted subsidiary alliance first? Hyderabad. Who adopted the doctrine of lapse policy? Lord Dalhousie. Which were the states that came under the doctrine of lapse policy? Mysore, Awadh, Tanjavur, Maratha, Poona, Berar, Gwalior. Who were the non-warrior rulers to rule Mysore? Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan. What were the important reasons for the first Anglo-Maratha War? Shah Alam II gave Kora and Allahabad to the Marathas. The fight for the Peshwa post after the death of Madhava Rao and the murder of Narayan Rao. What made the British government to seek resignation from Lord Wellesley? As the company incurred financial burden due to subsidiary alliance. What is doctrine of lapse policy? If any Indian ruler dies without children, their adopted children had no legal right over the throne. With whom did the British have continuous friendship pact? With Ranjit Singh. How was the Punjab force defeated by the British? Due to a few traitors. Why is the Lahore Agreement considered humiliating? With the Lahore Agreement of 1846, Sikhs lost the power in Punjab. How did Punjab become a dependent state of the East India Company? The British resident became the de facto ruler of Punjab. Who were the leaders of the Sikhs who opposed the attempts of the British? Chatar Singh Atariwala in Lahore and Mulraj in Multan. How did the British suppress the Maratha resistance? They installed Pratap Simha as the ruler of Satara, a minuscule state, and named him as the traditional leader of Marathas. Explain the First Anglo-Maratha War. Causes: Shah Alam II gave Kora and Allahabad to the Marathas. The fight for the Peshwa post after the death of Madhava Rao and the murder of Narayan Rao by Raghoba. Madhava Rao II became the next Peshwa. Raghoba approached the British for support. The British thought of exploiting the situation in their favour. Results: the Maratha Federation, unable to sustain the war with the British, finally entered Salbai Agreement and ended the war. Madhava Rao II was named as the Peshwa. Explain the conditions of subsidiary alliance. The Indian king had to keep the British army in his kingdom. The state had to bear the expenses of the army and the wages of the soldiers. The king has to have a British resident in his court. The king could not appoint any other European without the permission of the British. In order to enter any agreement or pact with any Indian government, the permission of the Governor General was mandatory. In return of all the services, the company would offer protection to the state from any internal or external aggression. Explain the Second Anglo-Maratha War. Causes: the differences among the Maratha chieftains was the main reason for this war. Course: Holkar defeated the army of Scindia and the Peshwa. The Peshwa entered the subsidiary alliance system by accepting the Treaty of Bassein. Lord Wellesley defeated the armies of various Maratha families. He was called back to England due to financial burden. Explain the Third Anglo-Maratha War. Causes: the Peshwa attempted to free himself from the clutches of the company. Course: Appa Sahib of Nagpur and Malhar Rao Holkar rebelled against the British and were suppressed ruthlessly. Peshwa Bajirao II fought against the British and later surrendered. Results: the British abolished the Peshwa post and installed Pratap Simha as the traditional leader of Marathas. I hope you liked the video. Please make use of the questions that we have discussed in this lesson, in this video revision lesson. If you liked the video, please subscribe my channel for more updates, more videos in the future. Share this video with your friends and press the like button. Thank you.